So I like to baby my gear and I never run any of my backpacks or fanny packs or messenger bags through the washing machine. So I'm going to show you my device care for my Arc'teryx Mantis. Put some soap in the bottom of your tub here. That should be high enough to fully submerge the pack. The benefit to adding the hose water first is that then it bubbles up nicely and it'll submerge your product better. Now you may wonder, why don't I just run my pack through the washer machine? The reason is that I don't want the zippers damaged. And well, many of these outdoor brands, F-Gel Raven, Osprey, are pretty good about doing repairs. That's shipping I don't want to pay for. Time for a warranty claim I don't want to go through. So I recommend not running your fanny packs, messenger bags, or backpacks through the washing machine. Now, this is a point of debate I have with my wife. She thinks that the wash machine on gentle should not damage the product. She may be right, but I'm not willing to test it. All right, so now let's submerge this. I'm gonna leave this out here the whole afternoon, and then I will rinse it with the hose, and then I will hang it on a clothesline in the yard here to dry. And this will give longevity to your outdoor equipment. I hope this was helpful.